Hi, I'm Alicia.
And I'm Susan.
And today we're making a leather lariat necklace. So I see you're wearing the necklace that you made me the other day, and it's not on my desk anymore. So I think that you should make me another one since it was my gift. And I know you want me to make it so bad, but
I do. I have all the supplies here for you to make it.
But since you stole my necklace that you made for me, I think it's best if you just make me another one.
You think I've got to do that, huh?
Well, yeah.
Yes. Well, I mean, I did make it.
Good. For me. So
I did make it for you. That is true. And then I took it because it's really cute. I like it.
So, yeah.
Okay.
Have at it.
All right. I can do that for you.
Thanks.
I have choices for you. I've got 2 pieces of...
Oh, this is choices?
Well, there's 2 of them and they're different. See? I didn't know which one you liked better.
Okay, well, if we're really going to get into this, let's go with this one.
Okay, cool. And then I've got these little sterling silver, because to make it you have to have these little sterling silver, I guess, links, like this. And I have 2. I have one that has 2 on it, one that has 3. The one I have has 3.
I'll do 3.
Okay.
Because that was my necklace.
So you wanted exactly the same.
Yeah,
Is that what you're
I
saying?
mean, that's...
All right.
Unless you want to take that off and give it to me and you can make yourself
No, I could do that. Okay. You like the length of it? Because I use 31 inches of leather.
Susan,
Is that good?
that was my necklace.
Okay, so you like it.
Yes.
That's what you're saying. She really likes
That
it.
was mine. So
Okay.
everything, the same measurements, same stone, same little links. I'll take it.
I'm going to make you make those earrings you have on for me later. All right.
Well, I didn't ever gift these to you.
True. That's true. Okay. So I'm just going to wrap this bead first. All right. So I'm just going to make a little basic connector at the tip of this marquee shaped bead. So I'm just kind of squeezing those together. Yes. And so then I'm going to take this plier. Let me think here. Which way do I want the loop to go? I think I want it to go this way. So I'm going to grab it and make a loop at the top. So, and then wrap the wire underneath. Boom. All right, so there, I made a little link at the top so that it can hang from our lariat. And then I cut 31 inches of leather, and that just seemed to be just the right size so that you can wrap it 2 times around your neck. And then there was still enough for me to make the loops at the end. I'm gonna make a wire bind. And that's basically what that is it's just a way to, I don't know why it's called a wire bind, but you basically are just binding the wire to the leather so that this piece can stay on there forever.
Instead of a crimp.
Instead of a crimp. I think it's kind of pretty, actually. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap the wire around. And I like to try to get it nice and tight. I'll try to make yours real pretty. How's that? Like I'll try to do a real good job for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It means so much to
I
me.
knew it would. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. Do one more wrap, and then I'm going to go into the center here.
I don't want any pokies.
That's what I'm going to hide this. I always go when I do this. I always put the wire down into the center of the leather before I cut it off, so that you don't ever feel the end. And then I'm going to trim that off with my flush cutter on the inside. And then just kind of trim that, squeeze that in with my chain nose plier so you don't feel it. And I always test like this to make sure I don't feel it. And I do not. So, and then I do the same thing on the first side. Just go between. It's easier on this side because it's open right there. It's a lot easier. And then I will trim that off. Hush. You hush. Okay, so there's my first one, and I'm just gonna clean that up just a tad since it's for you. Okay, there we go. Let's get those in there like that. Perfect. And then we'll just trim up this end. Boom. There's one side. That's where the little piece of turquoise is going to come through right there. And so then I'm just going to go to the other side. the same thing. What? It's pretty easy, don't
It
you think?
is.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just didn't want to do it since it was a gift to me.
I understand. You know what? When it is like that though. When you see a piece of jewelry that you like that somebody else made, don't you just? I mean, isn't it just easier
just
just to
want them
take
to
it,
make it.
especially because you appreciate that they made it because you know how to make jewelry, and so you're like, I don't want to have to
I
make
just
it. I
appreciated
just want
the
to
whole
appreciate
gift
it.
part.
Okay, I think I've heard that one time
Maybe
today.
they'll teach you not to take your gifts back.
I can't help it. I really liked it.
Me too.
All right, so that's on there like that, and this time I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna start in between, make it a little easier for myself. Okay. All right, so now I'm gonna trim this off on the inside like I did last time. Right there. Test to make sure I don't feel anything. I'm using 24 gauge wire to do this, and I think the first time I did that I might have used 26, but I wanted to have a little bit more wire. And let's get that trimmed off right in the middle. And then trim off the excess, like so. And get my chain nose or my flat nose. Get that all together. Perfect. What do you think?
Thank you.
Did I do all right? Did I do all right for you?
I sure hope so.
Try it on.
Thanks.
No, I just wrapped it. Like, put the silver thing in the front, and then, yes, it has. When you hold your hair?
Yes.
Okay, I got the hair.
Okay.
It's cute.
I think you put this on me the last time.
Did I? There you go. Perfect. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys would like to pick up some supplies like the ones we work with today, check out the links down below. What kind of stone would you use on your lariat? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And now that you know a little bit about making a lariat necklace, you can say,
I made this.
I made this.